नमस्ते बेटियों, खुश रहिए। आई एम सुमी वालिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी from Faculty of Education and Methodology from Fashion Department. Today we will discuss about fashion business, what are the needs of fashion business, scope of fashion business, and what does affect fashion happen in marketing and management. So let's begin with the topic. So fashion business need for the fashion business management. The fashion market in India has expanded exponentially since globalization. The demand and sense of the fashion has increases meaningful, making the retail and fashion industries increasing competitive. Design methodology have changed with the development in a business ecologically completely in a global supply chain and the media innovations. A broad range of the specialization has emerged among the students to emerge a new sphere after completing the courses. So fashion business की जो need है वो बहुत ज़्यादा demanding हो चुका है क्योंकि सप्लाई चेन है मार्केटिंग की बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड बढ़ गई है जो फैशन बिजनेस है फैशन अपने आप में ही बहुत वास्ट एरिया है जो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे इवन द स्टूडेंट्स want to study more about the fashion business management to know more about the fashion उसके concepts क्या है globally media में innovations क्या है जो भी मूड रेंजेस होते हैं लाइक द फैशन से रिलेटेड जो चीजें होती हैं उसमें सो नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट fashion business management scope and individual having the complete this courses जो भी ये कोर्स करेगा उसके लिए करने के लिए बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस होती हैं दे हैव डिफरेंट पोजीशन फॉर द आर्ट द फैशन ब्रांड मैनेजर मार्केटर business development marketer, retail marketer, buyer, merchandiser marketer, product marketer, etc. So if we are going for business in the fashion field, so we have a different scope like a fashion brand manager, like manager. Different even you can go for the merchandising, the export houses and export manager also. So next is marketing. In the world of fashion, marketing is an important element in the success of any clothing line. When you enroll in a fashion marketing program, except you learn a program, product development, building labels, more recognition, and a loyalty and a successfully advertisement techniques. So there are the different things that marketing में अगर आप होते हो तो आपको न्यू चीजें लर्न करने को मिलती हैं एक नॉलेज होता है आपको बहुत सारी चीजों का और then the marketing management के उसमें the fashion management expose understanding of marketing the art of selling along with the skills of purchasing and innovating a management. So management, fashion management, if you're coming in this field, so you must have the skill of marketing and purchasing and innovating for the marketing. Students seeking a fashion business, fashion management degree and expect to receive a good overall the understanding how to flow a fashion industry works. So it's very important to the students who have want to come in a marketing field. You must understanding both the mind and the eye sets of the creativity and the marketable, what the customer wants and what a designer want to design. अगर हम कोई भी डिजाइन है वो ऐसा कर लेंगे जो हमें पसंद है पर कस्टमर की नीड्स एंड वांट्स में नहीं है तो मार्केट में स्टेबल नहीं होगा मार्केट में ट्रेंडी नहीं होगा so always whenever we do a good design we always do a little bit research in the customers needs and what they want and on the basis the designer design the things. So next is communicately. Well, a management improves a management, especially in how a success position in a level of store. So different types of scope they are where you can knowledge in both the fashion and marketing fields like schools and qualified college where you can get a good knowledge of marketing. So next, marketing management is a process of making of a flow of a merchandiser from the initial section of a design to be a product to a presentation of products to retail consumers, while the role of maximum a company sales and a profitably successful fashion marketing depends on understanding consumer design and responding accurate products. So marketing use such tracking data, attaching to media coverage, focus group, and the another means of the advertisement. So it's very important to understanding the desired situation of the consumer. आपको कभी भी even whenever the person is designing or the designer is designing, they always focus in the group in which section or in which field they want to design something. It's like example, if they are going for the sports field, so they must understand in the what a sports person needs, even in the colors, in varieties, in even flexibility, they need a good coverage section. Or in a nightwear, the nightwear always needs a garment that would be a comfortable clothes because you're going in a bed in a relaxing position. So customer needs and wants very different in a different situation. Like when you're going for a wedding, you need different designs, ethical wear plus traditional wear. In great designs, the cut work, the silhouettes will be different. So according to that, the designer and manufacturer should try the work in a good quality, in a good product, and then only the marketer will accept that designs, and then the consumer will get a direct consumer needs. So this is and the main focus is that whenever you are designing for different things like the marketing thing, the marketing, the sailors, taking data, taking to media coverage, focus groups, and the another medium access consumers preference to provide feedback to designers. So जब भी हम ये डेटा करते हैं, जो डिजाइनर्स होते हैं हमेशा फीडबैक ले लेते हैं, ऑलवेज डू अ केस स्टडी कि मार्केट में ट्रेंड में क्या है, उसी हिसाब से वो डिजाइन करते हैं. अगर वो अपने हिसाब से डिजाइन कर देंगे, वो डिजाइन कुछ टाइम चलेगा, कुछ टाइम नहीं चलेगा. So always designer should be focused ki what the design, what the consumer wants, and manufacture about the type of the quantity of goods to be provided. तो सिर्फ डिजाइन से नहीं होता, जो भी क्लोथ की प्रोडक्ट है, जो क्वालिटी है, that should be also good to be produced. Marketers are thus responsible for identifying and defining a fashion products, target consumers for responding to the profits to those consumers. So even if this is important for a consumer, जो भी designers हैं वो target market देखे, उसमें response करे, and then what they want they should be achieved like that. Even so many courses are available in the market for these fields. They must go for that. Even the designing purpose, they do the case study. Like for kids, they must know that what mother wants for their kids to be wear, and what adult wants they want. Like for kids, it's very important कि जो भी उनके कपड़े होने चाहिए बहुत soft होने चाहिए, ईचिंग वाली नहीं होनी चाहिए. इवन अगर वो वेडिंग के हों या बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेडिशनल वेयर हों, उनकी गारमेंट जो होनी चाहिए बहुत कंफर्टेबल होनी चाहिए, जो उनको बहुत अच्छे से इजीली वेयरेबल हो. जो उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट ना करें, और अगर उनको पहनने में बहुत टिपिकल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत जल्दी इरिटेट हो जाते हैं। सो उनकी जो क्लोथिंग होनी चाहिए सिंपल होनी चाहिए, इवन वो सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक होना चाहिए जो उन्हें वेयर करने में प्रॉब्लम ना दे। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर किड्स for their clothing to handle them in a gently way. इवन फॉर द अडल्ट के लिए भी है कि उनकी क्लोथिंग में बहुत ज्यादा डिजाइनिंग पर्पस नहीं होनी चाहिए। इवन दे वांट अ कॉटन फैब्रिक और अ सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक, बिकॉज इवन जैसे बच्चे होते हैं वैसे बड़े होते हैं, तो उनकी जो एक क्लोथिंग रेंज होती है एक सिमिलर हो जाती है। बच्चों की भी बहुत ज्यादा टिपिकल क्लोथिंग नहीं होती, बिकॉज दे वांट अ सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक एंड कंफर्टेबल वे, and the same for the adult. Even for the youngs and for the youth, you can go for the designer way, even for the sportswear, wedding dress, or a traditional wear, and anything you can go for the designer. So this is all the session. Next, we will discuss about more about the fashion business, and then what a designer role, manufacturing role, and a retailer role in a fashion business. Thank you. Have a nice day.